Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the medical field. Links to all the pages that I'm sharing are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to get that application in. And I just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, give me that direct feedback. You can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, or leaving something in the comments. And of course, sharing is always caring, so if you know somebody who could benefit from this, please share this video with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead comes from the healthcare company Envision Radiology. They have 80 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a full-time remote data entry representative. Now, I do want to go ahead and start off by saying this is for select states for the United States. All of the states are listed right here on the screen. I also have the states listed in the YouTube description box below this video. But if you are lucky enough to live in one of these states that they are hiring from at the moment, they are looking for somebody to just do all data entry processing under their centralized services supervisor. Pay is anywhere from $14.65 an hour all the way up to $17.65 an hour. But this is going to be a completely non-phone data entry position. You're going to enter, update, and verify patient referral data into various systems that is used by all of their different personnel. You're going to review and verify this data is entered into the database correctly with no errors, processing all faxes in a timely and efficient manner, and confirming medical scripts and referral documentation have the correct procedures listed on the form and listed on the documentation. So they're really looking for somebody who has great communication skills, who has great technical skills, great time management, and organizational skills. But above that, you have to have a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is needed. 1 year of experience in some kind of customer service or data entry field. Healthcare is not required, but it is preferred that you have healthcare experience. Someone who can type at least 9,000 keystrokes per hour. Of course, you've got to be self-motivated and somebody who can continuously exceed with the customer expectation for the company. So someone who is willing to go above and beyond for the company. Now, they do offer a standard benefit package on top of that pay that offers a company matched 401k, paid time off, and health insurance. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.